Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your account in Goldfish Casino. First, make sure that you have downloaded Goldfish Casino on your phone, and after that simply click on the search bar and open Goldfish Casino. Now it may take some time to load your game. After that, you can see this home page of Goldfish app, and here on the top right corner you can see settings icon. Click on it. Now to log into your account, you have to click on this connect option. Click on connect. Now choose your preferred social network that you have used when creating an account. I have used my Apple ID account, so I'm using this continue with Apple option. Now you need to verify your account, and after your verification you will be successfully logged into your account. Here you can see that I have successfully logged into my account in Goldfish. So this is how you can also log in your account in Goldfish. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.